was 10, I fell in love. This printer guy. I waited hours outside his work with flowers, which made him laugh, which made me cry. By 13, I gave up trying. I decided I would just be a reporter, 'cause that is real. I memorized a lot of books because the writing and the journals and the thinking would never make me feel so stupid with love. Like I didn't get it. I didn't get it somehow. Smart with news, but stupid with love. I didn't get it. I didn't get it till now.
Do you have an eraser?
I would love to. So thank you, work, for being there to bring me joy. And thank you, work, 'cause now you brought me this cute boy.
Could you quiet down?